So today we are going to give you the information of Cars 24, and tell us how to sell car, step by step. Hello friend, Manoj Madhavi welcomes to my channel, Technical Minute with Animation. Cars 24 offers you best price of your car. You can sell your car in 3 simple steps. Steps 1. Preparing the car for sale. 1. Get your car serviced and cleaned. Remove all personal belongings from the car and if possible and viable, get scratches and dents repaired. Make sure that the interiors are clean and free from blemishes and stains. Of course, if you have maintained your car properly, these should not be a big issue. 2. Gather all the papers of the car and make a copy of them if you have a service record of the car. Be sure to include it with the other documents. Do not forget to include the owner manual, battery warranty cards, puke certificates and any other document that is related to the car. Step 2. Go to www.cars24.com and book an appointment to your nearest branch. Step 3. Visit our Cars 24 center where we will do scientific inspection of your car to find out the best price. You will get the best car price and instant payment in just one visit. And this is not it. We also provide you free RC transfer so that you don't need to worry about anything else. That's all in this video. If you liked this video, share it like this, like how the video liked and comment on me. You get good day in your next video.